infertility isn't a woman's problem. Many cases, it's 40% the women is the cause, 40% the men is the cause, 10% it's both together, and the later 10% nobody knows. These are unknown reasons. Is that true?
Absolutely. See, हमारी society में एक stigma है that men is the bread earner. He has to go out and earn for the family, and women has to stay back. She is the bread maker. She has to look after the family, raise kids. लेकिन लोग भूल गए हैं कि raising a baby and making a baby is different. So आप जब लेडीज पे से एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं कि वो अपने टेस्ट कराएं या फिर वो जाएं, because you know they are the easy targets, but it is very important कि आप men को भी educate करें कि आपका sperm count कैसा है, how is your libido, आपको कोई erectile dysfunction तो नहीं है. Men go through a lot, so it is very important कि आप couple counseling ले.
But you must be going through experiences where the men are very hesitant in talking to you, or they just don't want to. They find it very offensive to even talk about infertility issues. Then in that cases, how do you deal with them?
See, you are right. Even today in India, men have issues. They have that ego problem. हम में तो कोई कमी नहीं है. आप जी हमसे क्यों question कर रहे हैं? But when you sit down with them, when you talk to them, you make them understand. See, it is about producing a baby. आपकी wife इतना go through कर रही है. Why don't you talk about it? What is the problem? They sometimes they have drinking problems, sometimes they have smoking problems, sometimes they have too much performance pressure.
Yeah, the stress.
Because आजकल what I have realized, Neha, is कि जो लड़का लड़की हमारे पास आते हैं, they have extra knowledge.
Yeah.
They have so read, and this Instagram, the university of Instagram gives so much knowledge कि उनको पता है कि ये हमारा fertility window है, इसमें हमें perform करना है. Doctors tell them कि अच्छा ये 30 दिन में से यही 7 दिन आपको perform करना है. So that 7 days becomes like an exam to them.
Yeah.
I said, you please shut all your calendars. कुछ मत mark करो. Enjoy your life as husband and wife, and not कि कुछ task आपको दी गई है. The mindset, the moment they change their mindset, because progesterone चाहिए women को to produce a baby, men को sperm चाहिए. आप stressed हो, performance pressure है, सिर्फ cortisol release हो रहा है.
Right.
So again वो cortisol है culprit जो ना progesterone produce करने दे रहा है, ना men को testosterone produce करने दे रहा है, and they cannot mate and make a baby. Yeah. Right? So it is very important कि आप relaxed रहिए, enjoy the intimacy, be there for each other, stop the blame game कि तेरी वजह से नहीं हो रहा है या तेरी वजह से नहीं हो रहा है.
I so agree with that. Having said that, when we move forward in the life of a woman, menopause is a very sensitive period for her. Suddenly, we've been hearing like the premenopausal symptoms. This term has become like quite popular, and symptoms have been seen as early as at the age of 35. Absolutely. What are the reasons for that? And is there any way that it can be avoided or we can sail through as women?
See, first of all, I want to explain what menopause or perimenopause is. So, women is born, she hits puberty, then she starts with her periods, she delivers a baby. Menopause is the time when her period cycle ends.
Right.
Okay? Her reproduction ends. But perimenopause जब start होता है, that is the time when she starts skipping her periods.
Right.
So it is not that she would completely not have periods, but एक महीने में आएगा, कभी 4 महीने में आएगा, and that is the time when the estrogen drops. The ovaries go for rest. They take retirement. कि अब हमारा काम हो चुका है, we are retired. So they don't produce estrogen, which is a very, very important women hormone. Okay. So that is the time when the women's libido drops. She is going through an emotional roller coaster.
Oh my God.
उसको ऐसे लगता है कि everybody is conspiring against her. There is a lot of dryness in her vagina, in her mouth. She sees, bones are getting weak because the calcium also drops. She gets hot flashes, cold flashes. उन्हें खुद समझ में नहीं आ रहा होता है कि हमारे साथ हो क्या रहा है. So at this time, she needs support from the spouse, from the family, and friends.
Mhm.
And women should understand कि ये सबके साथ होने वाला है. You are not the one. You can discuss it openly with your friends, your partner. You can come to us. At least we can explain you कि आप क्या lifestyle में modifications करें, आपको क्या करना चाहिए. You should do regular exercises. You should do regular meditation and pranayam.
Oh, yeah.
You should have supplements like magnesium, vitamin D, calcium that would boost your mood.
Oh, yeah.
You should have food groups that are rich in estrogen, जिससे कि आप naturally अपना estrogen बढ़ा सकें.
Mhm.
These are small little changes which help menopausal women, and we have really helped them. And I have seen a difference कि आप सिर्फ उनसे ये बोलो कि I am here for you,
Yeah.
and they feel better.
Yeah. So more we talk, more we help others.
Yes.